Welcome to our Getting the Most Out of Wyndham University webinar. My name is Nuria Rubio. I'm Training Officer for EMEA and I will be your host today. And first of all, we will start by reading our legal disclaimer. Today, we will be providing information and insights during the course of our presentation. As always, you are in full control of any decisions relative to your hotels. During our time together, we will share insights and a new perspective that may enhance how you think about your business. Today, we will be covering some best practices. I'll guide you through Wyndham University and we will go live. Let's talk about some e-learning best practices. Before you begin with your e-learning, make sure you're in the right space, a quiet space, free from distractions, and you are fully present. Stay open to the experience. You can even ask those around you to respect your quiet mode and consider silencing your phone or managing notifications so you won't be interrupted. To stay on track with your e-learning course, make sure you always keep in mind what you hope to accomplish by the end of the course. So, set some feasible objectives and goals to guide you through the learning journey. And of course, as you know, your performance will decrease if you're feeling tired or frustrated whilst learning. Therefore, it's always good to integrate some personal time into your learning routine, and you'll be able to work more effectively on your online course goals. So, when you take a break, make sure that you get away from your study space, and it's good to have a change of scenery. Things such as mild physical activity, like a walk around the block or some push-ups, will help you maintain balance for new energy and go back to learning with a clear mind. Regular revisions of the things that you've already studied will help you improve your memory and will also help you best to understand what you are studying. Try to create your own flashcards for your keynotes and try to quiz yourself on the key concepts of the course that you have been following. Online learning does not necessarily mean that you have to learn in isolation. You can take some time to discuss with your colleagues and offer your input on the e-learning course. Also, actively participating in conversation will really enhance the learning experience and how much of the information you retain. We have also got some webinar best practices. So when you join the webinar, make sure to join about 5 to 10 minutes before it starts so that you have enough time to check that your system is working. Please always ensure that you are on mute so that you don't cause background noise to other participants. If you would like to speak or if you like to ask or answer a question, please indicate it in the chat box or raise hand using the different functionalities. Make also sure you are in a calm and distraction-free environment so that you can maintain focus and take notes to get the most out of the assessment and of your time. When you create a Wyndham Community account, your access to Wyndham University will be automatically created. This will be done by your general managers for you. You will be able to access your account very soon, but please allow up to 7 days to receive the access. If you join from a managed property, please contact your HR team to grant you access. Feel free to set up an account for each individual learner because that way you are able to then see exactly what that individual is doing. Also, when you have any queries or issues with particular learners, learning and training, then you or they can reach out to us and we are able to have a look at those. It is really important that you set up your account using your full name and your own email address. And please do not set up shared generic users because we won't be able to track your completions. If you share a link to a webinar with a colleague, they won't be getting the certification because they were not using their own user. This is only a reminder of how to find Wyndham University on Wyndham Community, because if you are here, you have already found it. On the menu, click on Team and Training and then click on Wyndham University. And this is how Wyndham University looks like when you go to the search bar. In this case, we search for Count on Me, and you can search for any keywords to help you find courses or videos. As you can see on the slide, I search Count on Me and I find 1,033 available courses using those keywords. These will be included in programs, in learning journeys, or playbacks of previous recordings. The trainings for our specific region have EMEA in the title, as you can see here. And now, I hope you are feeling energized and ready for the live demo. Let's go to Wyndham University, and this is the dashboard when you access Wyndham University. First of all, what we are going to do is go to Options and Settings, and we will work on our time zone. So we go to the time zone. In my case, as I am dialing from Spain, I will go and choose Madrid for myself and then apply the changes and it will be done for you. Now let's look at what we have here on the dashboard. First of all, what we find are the required trainings for us. Then we will find the assigned trainings. And here you can see the different trainings that we have. And for example, here we can see that this one was registered by someone, for me, an administrator. In this case, this means that I started the training, but I didn't finish it. And if I click on Continue Course, I can continue from the point that I left. If nothing appears here, that means that that training wasn't started yet. So now let's look for some trainings. As we saw, let's look for Count on Me, for example. And now I find 1,046 results for Count on Me. And I will register to the Count on Me certification. I can see two different trainings here with the same name. So here I have the Wyndham Webinar EMEA Count on Me certification, and I can see here Count on Me Service Culture certification. What are the differences here? As we see, there's no EMEA on the title. I wouldn't register on this one. And those that show you the pineapple are the ones that are for the US. In our case, we have this EMEA one. We will click on it. Once we have done that, we see all the available trainings and we will click on the next one, which is this one. And from here, I will register. I click on register and this is what I get. In addition to this, I will get an email with the link to the training so that I can save it to my agenda. So let's go and see that it is showing on my dashboard. It is here. What happens if, for example, I made a mistake and I registered for a training that wasn't meant for me or for my region? I click on the three dots here, view registration, and I will be able to withdraw it. You click and then you confirm that you want to cancel it. And you will also get the cancellation via email. If we go back and check, now we will see that the training doesn't appear on my dashboard anymore. Can I look for other trainings? If, for example, I want to find out about marketing, I want to train myself on marketing. This is everything I find regarding this topic. So just look for any training, any keyword that you may think of. So once you have completed your trainings, you will go to your learning history. This is my learning history, and from there, you can download your certifications. So if, for example, I go to this one, Facilitation Skills for Managers and Leaders, I will click on the icon of the printer, and this is what I get. So this is my certificate of completion, and I can download it from here and save it for my records. The difference between the completed courses and the incompleted courses shows here. So make sure that you complete all of them. And now let's see what we can and what we can't do for you. We will only register you for activities if it's mandatory. As a manager, you can enroll your team members for any activities that you'd like them to follow. We can also check your learning progress, but we can't mark courses as complete for you without proof that they were completed. And this is why I showed you the certification and how to download them. If it happens that some course is not marked as complete for you, please send us a screenshot that shows the completion and we will mark it as complete for you. Don't try to make the same course again and again because just one time is enough. We will assist you in case of technical issues. The same happens to trainings that were not fully completed. We won't be able to mark them as complete for you without the screenshot of the completion or the certification. You can always contact us at international.training@wyndham.com. We will be there to assist you and to listen to you if you want to request or suggest new trainings or updates on the existing ones. I hope you enjoy Wyndham University as much as our learning and development team does. And thank you so much for your time today.